Hello! Today we're going to learn how to single crochet. So I've got the chain that we made in our last video, and if you aren't sure how to chain, go ahead and watch that last video, and I will show you here. You see on the front of the chain, it makes these little V's. Now the back of the chain has these little bumps. Looks like a dotted line. That's the back of your chain. You want to go through your V's. And then you'll see here, we have this loop, and this is where the yarn comes through. You can't go into this first loop because that'll just undo your last loop. So you need to go into the second V here, okay? So I'm just going to show you how this works. You're just going to go into this V and just go through to the back. Then you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull it through that V. Make sure you pull it up to the shaft so that you get the right size. Yarn over, and then just go through both loops. And then again, bring it up to the shaft. So then you're just going to go into the next V, yarn over, and pull through. Make sure you pull up, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And pull up. So now you've got this, and it probably just looks like a mess to you at this point, but you'll see as we continue how it's going to look. So I'll show you some more. Go in through this V, through to the back, yarn over, pull it through just the first loop. Then yarn over, pull it through both loops. Same thing. Go into the next V, yarn over, pull through just one loop, yarn over, pull through two loops. Now something that I didn't know how to tell when I first started crocheting is which loop I'm going through. So you'll see here, it's got all the different loops. Sometimes when you get further into crocheting, it's hard to tell, wait, am I supposed to go through this loop or this loop? Now you'll see this loop has these two little loops coming out of it. That means that's the one that you just went through. So you need to go into the next one. And it's, again, easier to tell on this first initial chain, but when you get further into your rows, it can be harder to tell. So just keep that in mind. So you're going to yarn over, and then come through, yarn over, go through both loops. So we'll just keep doing that. Yarn over and go through one loop, yarn over and go through two loops. Go through your next V, yarn over, come through, yarn over, go through two loops. And now you can see it's starting to make a pattern. So again, just go into your V, then you're going to yarn over, go through one loop, yarn over, go through two loops. And that's all there is to single crochet.